Hey everybody, welcome back. This is one of my favorite hairstyles, Bahama curl. I love Bahama curl. I love everything about it. It's just the bomb. So we're doing a fuchsia and black blend today. You guys are going to love this hairstyle. I really hope you enjoy it because I really do. So let's get started. You guys, I had did my braid pattern. I did it last night because I don't want my hair to be too tight. If your hair is too tight and then you're gonna add the crochet on it, it's gonna make your hair even tighter. It's gonna make you not want to go to sleep. It's gonna make you want to take it down the same day if it's really tight. So braid your hair the night before, or just do not braid it tight at all. You can loosen it up because you're gonna tighten it up when you crochet the hair into your hair. Okay, we're going to split this hair into two or maybe even three, depending on how thick that the hair is. Sometimes they come skinny, sometimes they come really thick. So depending on the thickness, then that's the way you split it. Okay, you guys, we're going to start at the back. The back, I like to show you guys the back of my hair when I do it, because some people, they show you just the front, and to be honest, the back is harder to do than the front. So I want to show you guys the back of my hair and how I get it and how easy it is. And looking at this, you guys, it'll be easy for you to do it too as well. Okay, you guys, I'm about to get to work, so watch me work, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. One thing I love about this hair is you can get it anywhere. I go to my local beauty supply store. I actually have two beauty supply stores that I go to, but one was out of purple, so I decided to get this fuchsia and check it out, and I think it's amazing. I think this color is pretty on me, you guys, and I think it'll be pretty on you too. You got to give it a try. I always told myself to, I'm always open to new things, and this, is new to me. It's 2022, and we got to try something new. We got to try something different, and baby, this is popping for me, so I hope you guys enjoy. My sweethearts, I got this hairstyle done in under 2 hours. That's how fast and easy this hairstyle is. It's that fast. And I mean, I started at 12 o'clock. I was done by 2. I'm telling you, it's convenient. This is the bomb.com. Okay, you guys, I am putting the top up because I want to put the black in the front around my edges because I want my real hair to blend in with the black. I am going to put a flat twist in the front. Please make sure it's dry when you take it down to blend it in with your hair, because if it's not dry, then it's not gonna have that little crinkle setting to it. So make sure it's dry when you're done. Okay, you guys, this is one way on how I do my sides when I'm blending it in together with the hair. And at the end of the video, I have another way on how to do it as well. So stay tuned. All right, this is my hair after 5 days. This is the condition that it's in. This is how it looks in the front. What I do is I gel it up. I put the 24-hour edge tamer around my edges, and then I tie it up. My beautiful scarf, I tie it and wrap it around. And I tie it up real good. And these are my edges, babe. This is how it came out. Doesn't it come good, though? Another little trick that I do, though. It's called the Maine choice. Oh my God. Okay. Look at that. It is very, very, very sticky. Smells so good also. But what I do, well, I can even show you from my side. This is my side burn. What I do is I put some on my edges. I put some on my edges. Put some of it on. Really, really good. Get it in there. And I just twirl it around. Twirl it just like that, right? And then you grab one of the edges. Grab one single one. One single one. And you wrap these together just like this. Just like so. Just twist it. Twist it right on up. Twist that right around. Look at that. That blends right in with it. And then you add your 24-hour tamer. And all you do is slick your sides. Slick them right on back. Just slick them on back. And that's what I did with all of this. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Good? This is a pretty hairstyle. I'm gonna keep this in for at least, oh my God, I'm gonna give it a month, maybe a month. It's cute. All right, you guys, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, please subscribe. I can't wait to hear from you. See you guys soon.